Hello, welcome to microbrewery Vizir. Company is named after a horse, Vizir, which Napoleon Bonaparte received as a gift. This name was chosen because we also love horses. We have horses ourselves. Some of the beers are also named after horses, so it's something we love and we connected with our work. We decided to produce beers only with natural ingredients, without anything added, without any additives for color or for flavor, and also without pasteurization and no conservants. So it is completely natural product. This is the main machine where most of the very important part of the processes are happening. This is the kitchen. So here we have one of the best breweries in the world, definitely. It's almost totally automatic. We have computer helping us do our best what we can do. It's also very optimized. We use all of the resources, all of the heat, hot water, energy. Also, we managed to do our work very quickly, which is also important these days. But on the first place in this machine is the quality. It gives us opportunity to produce very good quality beer. So I, as a technician, I'm very happy to be working with this machine. This is a part of our cellar where the fermentation and also aging is happening. Beer tanks have some requirements. We have all of these tanks in isolation and all of the temperature regulation and everything, so it is a very important part of the process. This is also our cooling chamber, which is when we have our products ready, bottled and ready for the market. Because we tend to live by the nature, we need to have our products on cool place. So here we have around 4 degrees Celsius. It's very cold and we are not afraid of spoilage or anything. Here we have one very special beer for us. It's called Mirko. This beer was actually made for our friend who really likes good food. He knows to cook a lot of good different dishes. This is the original bottle and the label. It was produced for his birthday. So, and because he is such a good food lover, we wanted to produce some very special beer to accompany the meals. So, this was original bottle for the gift, but now this is the new label which will be on the market. Mr. let us use his name for the beer. So this beer is named Mirko. It's pale ale type. It's not so pale on the color. We wanted to produce a very full, rich body. This beer has around 5% of alcohol. There is a lot of more ingredients. It would be possible to have even higher alcohol degree, but we really didn't want for alcohol to come out too much out of the beer, but just to have enough quantity of alcohol for backup of the taste, for richness. And then some combination of very special malts, which give also this nice color, also the flavors. It's top fermented beer, it's ale. And on the label, it is really some special idea. This mister is in the jail, and in his mind is that it was worth everything. So we really think this beer is something special. We like it a lot. Many people who taste it also enjoy it very much. This beer is named Lucky Luke. It is a very special beer. It says when girl can't say no. It is very light, caramel. It has around 4% of alcohol. We have put inside a lot more ingredients, but we didn't let everything go into alcohol. As I told you, we want to have natural products. So this means that we can't have sugars in the beer to have it sweet. But if you understand the ways of nature, you can still manage to produce some very special beers. This beer was cooked by a special procedure. It's called the decoction method of cooking. In between of the process, we have taken away half of the ingredients we put inside. So from this half of ingredients, it is not possible for yeast to ferment it to alcohol. So we have in this beer some special complex sugars which give this beer a little bit sweet aftertaste, and it's in a way beer for ladies, for young people. It's ale, it's top fermenting yeast. For us, it's sexy ale. It has nice reddish color, red, brown. We still call it red ale, and it's very fruity and it's very nice, simple taste. It's really something women like. It is just a little bit sweet, but not sugary sweet. This is because these complex sugars are cut into sugars just at the time we are tasting it because of the enzymes we have in our saliva. This is really some special beer. This is honey beer. It is very different from all of the other beers. We appreciate the different tastes from every people. Everybody has some other tastes, everybody likes something else. So this is something really special. Here is a lot of flower honey, also some part of barley malt, as in every other beer. Speciality of this beer is also that we didn't put inside any of the hops. So also it has 7% of alcohol. And if you take a look at it like this, it is something in between from the beers and the wine. Wines have a little bit higher percentage of alcohol, from 10 to 14. Beers usually a little bit less, but okay, beers can also have higher percentage of alcohol. It is not so bitter because there is no hops, and there was a lot of honey put inside, so it has this very special taste. And also because it was flower honey, it has also very interesting flavor. It is not so sweet because all of the sugar from honey went into alcohols. Because there is no conservants, we have to let yeast eat all of the simple sugars and produce as much alcohol as possible from these ingredients we put inside. This taste is so special that either you love it, either you don't. But it has very nice aftertaste. And for lovers of black beers, here we have Black Durkas. This beer is also named after one horse. Our horse Durkas is he comes from Hungary, so this is why it is such a name. And it is black because it is also black beer. Also, he is black. It is this horse is main horse in our stable, beer is also what we wanted to do, to be very full body, very rich. It's also very dark, as you see. This type of malt give it such a color. So we have very intensive coffee on the flavor, also on the taste. Many times people ask if we put some coffee inside. No, we haven't. It is just so roasted barrel. This is black lager. It has around 5% of alcohol. It is very rich in taste. It is special black beer, so not everybody like it. Blonde lagers drinkers don't like black beers, but everybody who likes black beers is the best. Here we have our main beer. It's named after the company, Vizir. It's blonde lager. This blonde lager has around 4% of alcohol. It's a little bit more richer than our other beers on our market. As I told you, it's totally from natural ingredients. Idea is to have one beer which is a little bit more rich. Some beer for not so used beer drinkers who know all of these beers which exist on the world, something to start with. So it is not too different, so that people would not be afraid of some strange new taste, but still it has just right body and aftertaste to enjoy.